Most people think building an app takes months of coding and thousands of dollars. They're wrong. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a fully functional app using Google AI Studio in under 2 minutes with zero code. If you can type a sentence, you can build an app. Today, let's build something practical, like a personalized travel planning assistant. We just have to type out what we want to build. Let's use the following prompt. Create a travel planning assistant that helps users create customized itineraries based on their destination, budget, and interests. And then we just hit build and wait while Google's Gemini models do the work behind the scenes. Usually, building an app is like trying to build a car by hand. You have to forge every screw and weld every frame. It's exhausting, but with Google AI Studio, it's more like being the director of a movie. You tell the actors where to stand and what the mood should be, and they handle the performance. If you've ever felt like technology was a wall standing in your way, that wall just came down. You don't need to be a tech person anymore. You just need to be someone with a good idea. Remember to subscribe because AI is moving fast, and I want to make sure you don't get left behind. Here we go. Google just built us our first app, and we didn't use a single line of code. Let's say we are going to Paris for 5 days on a luxury budget with our kids, and we have varied interests. Look at that. There is our 5-day itinerary, and it looks good. This, of course, is the first version of our app. We can improve the design and functionality of this app by continuing to use prompts here in this chat box on the bottom left. We don't need any code skills at all. We're living in an incredible time where tools like this are available to everyone. Subscribe for more tutorials like this every single week.